Hello, my name is David. I left a positive review that was unsolicited for Pop On Veneers, and they asked me to do a video, which I'll do. Get these. My teeth are trashed, but not anymore. If you're looking at this, you should probably get them. It was like $400 for my tops, and they're awesome. It's life changing. I've only had them for a few days. They fit really great. It looks natural enough. I'm still struggling with S's. You get a little list. I'm missing a tooth. I'm not going to take these out. Some people do. Get them. Get them. Why wouldn't you get these? Whatever. I can smile again. Yeah. I'm all smiles. This is me. I'm missing this tooth, and it's horrible. It changes everything. If you work in a customer-facing position, you can't do it. I got a quote. I went to a dentist. I got a quote. They wanted 60 grand for implants. Yeah, down the road that sounds awesome, but no. I'm totally great with Pop On Veneers. Love everything about it. I hope they last. If I have to buy another one in a year, yeah. Yep. Get them. Like, for real. I smile for pictures now. I'm ordering the bottoms. I'm ordering another set of tops, a backup. Get them. Let's see if you want to know what they're like an Invisaligner. Yeah. I don't know. It feels good. It reminds me of wearing braces. I wore braces way back when. They hold really, really well, and I don't know how long that lasts. We'll see, but man, get these things. Change your life.